Hey guys, it's Brendan here from TAP. Just wanted to let you know that we do have some EV and hybrid training that we're going to be doing on the northern side of the East Coast now. So we've already been from Sydney all the way around to Perth, and now it's time for the Queenslanders and all the way down to Newcastle. So if you're anywhere from Maryborough down to Newcastle, starting in the next couple of weeks, we're going to be kicking that off here in Brisbane at my very own workshop here in Browns Plains, and then we're going to be moving along the East Coast, taking the road show that we've got of all of the parts to get your hands on for the hybrid and EV full day hands-on training. We're getting more and more hybrid vehicles coming into the workshops now, starting to get some great case studies. This one here being a Camry that we've got a DC-DC converter issue, so that's the solid state alternator if you want to think of it, that's part of the inverter converter section. Now if that doesn't make sense to you, when this rolls in, what are you going to be doing, right? So you want to get yourself prepared, come along and we'll have all these components there, right, from batteries, motors, converters, inverters, even some HVAC stuff where we've picked up a Tesla super manifold to tear apart. So some great hands-on training that we'd love to see you at. Take a look at the details below and we'll see you when we roll into your town.